Okay, so it's really important before we close this that we save these colors to our swatches. And then we also save this new swatch um, to our swatch library so that when we close this out and open up a new document, we can actually load the swatches and they're not gone, because they will be gone if you forget to save them. So now that we have our legwork done here, we can go in and first we can select them all like this. And then once they're selected, again, I use the selection tool. Just rubber band select or just draw a box to about right there. And then click this little folder, new color group. Click, and I'm going to title this material box art. And then you can just leave selected artworks. Here that should be checked. It should be checked by default, but in case it isn't, just make sure it's selected artwork. Press OK, and it's going to put your swatches right here that you've created. And before we click away, we're going to leave these selected right here. We're just going to leave it. We're going to save it. So go here in the bottom left, Swatch Libraries menu, click, and the first option, Save Swatches. And here, Material Box Art Swatches. We'll just leave it save to swatches, and it's an AI file. We'll just press save. Okay, and then I'm going to close this out. Well, instead of closing it out, I'm going to create. Let's just pretend I'm working on something new. Let's do a 7x5. You'll notice that the swatches are not there. Okay, so just because you save them doesn't mean they're going to appear in a new document. You actually have to load them. So you're going to go here. You're going to scroll down to user defined, and you'll see that serial box art swatches, and then it's going to load them up. Where are they? They are right here. For some reason, it's loading all of these again. It's just loading all of the swatches I had on that document, which is fine. I don't know exactly how to just save these. That's another tutorial that I'll have to learn. But the important thing is they're there. So that's the way you do it. So do that before you save it as a PDF and turn it in. So I'm just going to close this one out. Again, you want to save this as a PDF and turn it in, but don't forget to save your swatches first.